Looking for a sweet, refreshing dessert that doesn't require turning on the oven? You're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 no-bake strawberry shortcake trifles, each one easy, delicious, and perfect for entertaining. Let's dive in. First up, the classic strawberry shortcake trifle. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound of fresh strawberries, sliced. A store-bought pound cake cut into cubes. And 2 cups of whipped cream or Cool Whip. Start with a layer of cake cubes at the bottom. Add a layer of strawberries. Spoon over the whipped cream. Repeat the layers until your dish is full. Chill before serving and enjoy that creamy, fruity goodness. Next up, the strawberry cheesecake trifle. This one is rich, creamy, and packed with flavor. You'll need 1 pound cake, cubed, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, softened, a cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of whipped topping, and 2 cups of sliced strawberries. Beat the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla until smooth. Fold in the whipped topping. Then start layering cake, strawberries, and that cheesecake mixture. Repeat and chill before serving. Recipe 3 is lighter, the angel food strawberry trifle. Grab an angel food cake, cubed, 2 cups of sliced strawberries, a tablespoon of sugar, and 2 cups of whipped topping. Sprinkle the strawberries with sugar and let them sit to release their juices. Then, layer angel food cake, sweet strawberries, and whipped topping. It's perfect for warm days when you want something airy and light. Ready for something a little more indulgent? Try the strawberry brownie trifle. Use a batch of brownies cut into cubes, 2 cups of whipped cream, and 2 cups of sliced strawberries. Start with a brownie base. Add strawberries and then whipped cream. Repeat the layers. Rich, chocolatey, and fruity. It's a total crowd pleaser. Last but not least, make it personal with mini strawberry trifles in mason jars. Use any of the previous combinations and layer them into jars. They're perfect for picnics, parties, or grab-and-go desserts. No baking, no mess, just sweet simplicity. There you have it. 5 delicious no-bake strawberry shortcake trifles. Whether you're hosting guests or treating yourself, these recipes are easy to make and even easier to love. Be sure to check out this video for more.